What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Marvel Rivals not launching. So in this case, if you're having problem with Marvel Rivals here and it's not launching, there are going to be a few things that you can do to probably solve this issue. So first thing that you can do here is you could actually verify the integrity of your files. So in my case, since I downloaded Marvel Rivals here via Steam, so let's go open up Steam here, and you want to go to your library and you want to go and locate Marvel Rivals. You want to right click on it and you want to go to properties. Now under properties, you want to go to install files, and from here you should be able to see the button that says verify integrity of game files. So in this case, you go and click on it and just wait for it to complete. So what it does is actually verifies the files they currently have on your PC and compares it on their server. So they just make sure that the files you currently have are correct. So if there are going to be some discrepancies, they will correct that, and hopefully this will actually solve your issue. But if that doesn't solve your issue, the next thing that you do here is you could actually try running this as admin. So again, you want to look for Marvel Rivals here, right? Click on it and you want to go to the option here for manage, and you want to go and click on browse local files. Now in here, you should be able to see the Marvel Rivals launcher. You can go and right click on it and you want to choose the run as administrator and see if that solves the issue. Sometimes just running it as admin here can solve a lot. So if it does run in admin, so I recommend you to go to properties here, and you want to go ahead and go to compatibility, and you want to make sure that you set this to run this program as administrator. Hit apply and click on OK to save your changes. Now, once you've done that, go ahead and see if that solves the issue when you click on the play button here on Steam. Now, if that does solve your issue, the next thing that you want to do here is you want to make sure that your firewall is properly set up. So, at the bottom left of your screen in Windows, just type in firewall, and you want to look for the option that says allow an app through Windows Firewall. Now, in here, you want to look for the change settings at the top right, and you want to go and scroll down a bit here and look for Marvel Rivals. So in this case, it's going to be the very top here. So we have Marvel Rivals here, and you want to make sure that you enable this for private and public connection. So in this case, if you don't see any checks or security or permissions here, you might want to enable at least one of them. So once you've enabled it, you want to go ahead and click on OK. And from that on, you should be able to start playing it, and that should probably solve your issue. Now, if that doesn't solve your issue, it might mean the problem itself might be your GPU. So every time a game is released, your GPU or the manufacturer of your GPU actually release some form of update. So in my case, since I am using NVIDIA here, I need to use the NVIDIA app. So if you haven't yet, you might need to install NVIDIA, or if you're using AMD, go and install the software appropriate for AMD. So you want to go to the driver section at the left side here, and you want to make sure to click on download and just wait for the download complete and restart your PC. Now from here on, make sure to complete it, restart your PC. As you can see, Marvel Rivals is included in the update here. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching.